Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're going to talk about all things about money, cash, and how to live a richer life. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and jump into the comments for some fun discussions. We're going to cover everything, from saving hacks to tricks that can boost your pocket change. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Table. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we explore the 15 tips of culinary delights from all around the world. Get ready for a feast of flavors, cultural insights, and some mouth-watering visuals. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, so you never miss out on our global gastronomic adventures. Without any further, so let's get started. Segment 1. Diverse ingredients. Alright, let's kick things off with the heart and soul of any dish, the ingredients. From the spicy chilies of Mexico to the aromatic spices of India, we're diving into the diverse world of culinary elements that make each cuisine unique. Stay tuned, because you might discover a new favorite ingredient. Segment 2. Cultural significance. Now, let's delve into the cultural tapestry woven into every dish. Food is more than just sustenance, it's a reflection of traditions, heritage, and history. Join me as we uncover the cultural significance behind some iconic dishes, and learn why they hold a special place in the hearts of communities around the globe. Segment 3. Street food adventures. Get ready to embark on a street food adventure. We're hitting the bustling markets and vibrant streets to sample some of the world's most beloved street foods. From savory skewers to sweet delights, street food is the heartbeat of culinary exploration. Segment 4. Fusion creations. Ever wondered what happens when two culinary worlds collide? Our next stop is all about fusion creations, dishes that beautifully blend flavors and techniques from different regions. It's a culinary journey where innovation meets tradition. Segment 5. Traditional desserts. Let's satisfy our sweet tooth with a look at traditional desserts from around the world. These treats are not just delicious. They carry stories and traditions passed down through generations. Brace yourselves for a sugar rush. Segment 6. Local cooking techniques. Now, let's talk about the magic happening in the kitchen. Different regions have their own unique cooking techniques that add that special touch to the dishes. Whether it's the sizzle of a wok or the slow simmer of a stew, we'll uncover the secrets behind these culinary techniques. Segment 7. Seasonal ingredients. Next up, we're putting a spotlight on the importance of seasonal ingredients. Each cuisine has its own rhythm with nature, and understanding the significance of seasonal produce can truly enhance the dining experience. Let's explore the freshest flavors each season brings to the table. Segment 8. Iconic beverages. Time to wash down those delicious bites with something refreshing. Join me as we explore iconic beverages from around the world. From the soothing matcha in Japan to the bold espresso in Italy, these drinks are an integral part of the culinary journey. Segment 9. Food pairing recommendations. For a true culinary experience, mastering the art of food pairing is essential. In this segment, we'll discuss the science behind pairing flavors and textures to create a symphony on your palate. Get ready to elevate your dining game with some expert tips. Segment 10. Cooking challenges. Feeling adventurous? It's time for a cooking challenge inspired by international cuisines. I'll be attempting to recreate a dish from a random country. Join me in the kitchen as we navigate through new recipes, and maybe even a few culinary mishaps. Segment 11. Culinary travel stories. Before we wrap up, I want to share some personal culinary travel stories. These are not just about the food but the incredible people, memories, and connections made during my journeys. Let's take a moment to appreciate the human side of our global culinary adventure. Segment 12. DIY is known as do-it-yourself spice blends. Spice up your kitchen with our DIY spice blend segment. I'll be sharing some easy-to-make spice blends inspired by various cuisines. These blends will not only add depth to your dishes, but also transport you to different corners of the world with their aromatic profiles. Segment 13. Culinary Tradition Series. Stay tuned for our upcoming series where we'll deep dive into the culinary traditions of specific countries. We'll explore their rich history, culinary customs, and of course, savor some mouth-watering dishes. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Segment 14. Interactive Q&A sessions. But wait, there's more. I want to hear from you. In our next segment, we'll be diving into an interactive Q&A session. Drop your burning questions about international cuisines in the comments, and I'll answer them in an upcoming video. Let's make this a delicious conversation. And now, last but not least, Segment 15. Local chef collaborations. In our grand finale, we're bringing in some special guests, local chefs from different regions. You must be collaborating with these culinary maestros as they share their expertise, authentic recipes, and insider tips. It's a culinary celebration you won't want to miss. And that's a wrap for today's culinary journey. I hope you enjoyed exploring the world through its diverse and delicious cuisines. If you're hungry for more, check out our playlist for other mouth-watering adventures. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your fellow foodies. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep enjoying the incredible flavors our world has to offer. See you in the next video.